Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're talking about the best black prom dress with a slit. The Memoriesea Women's Sexy One-Shoulder High-Split Cocktail Wedding Party Maxi Dress. This is a showstopper that balances elegance and sultry style, and if you're looking for something that will make a bold statement at prom, a cocktail evening, or a wedding party, this dress might just be your dream outfit. Let's start with what catches the eye first, the design. This dress features a one-shoulder neckline, which gives it a modern, chic vibe. It's sleeveless and beautifully asymmetrical, perfect for showing off the shoulders and collarbone in a way that feels both sexy and tasteful. The highlight here is the high split. It starts mid-thigh and flows all the way down to the floor, creating a flowing silhouette that enhances your stride and adds drama to every step you take. Whether you're walking into prom or twirling on the dance floor, the movement of this dress will turn heads. The fabric is where comfort meets glamour. Made of 90% polyester and 10% spandex, it has a soft, shiny texture that's lightweight and smooth against the skin. It fits snugly around the body, offering that figure-hugging, slim fit that flatters curves without feeling restrictive. It's stretchy enough to feel comfortable, yet holds its shape well enough to give you that sculpted, confident look. Now, the back of the dress is where the detail gets interesting. It comes with an adjustable strap across the back that adds both support and a dash of flair. The pull-on closure makes it easy to slip into without hassle, and the dress itself is fully lined for comfort and modesty. Plus, the fabric is machine washable in cold water, which makes it surprisingly low maintenance for something that looks so high-end. As for versatility, this dress isn't just for prom. You can wear it to weddings, banquets, date nights, club events, romantic evenings, cruises, or even a honeymoon getaway. And let's be honest, if you want to make an entrance and leave a lasting impression, this dress is built for it. It's available in multiple sizes ranging from small to extra large, which roughly aligns with US sizes 4 to 16. But it's important to check the size chart before purchasing, since the fit is body contouring and precise sizing will make all the difference. In terms of style, this dress lands right in the sweet spot between trendy and elegant. It embraces modern fashion with its one-shoulder and thigh-high slit, but it also has a timeless quality that makes it appropriate for more formal occasions. Pair it with statement earrings, heels, and a clutch, and you're set for a night of compliments. So, if you're on the hunt for a bold, elegant, and versatile black dress for prom or any upscale evening, the Memoriesea One-Shoulder High-Split Maxi Dress is a serious contender. It looks stunning, feels comfortable, and delivers that wow factor every time. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you liked this review, don't forget to hit subscribe for more fashion-focused breakdowns and product insights. See you in the next video.